because I know that this is one of the most difficult things you've ever done. I ask you again, guys. Who stole the cookie off the counter? Loa, do you have anything to say? Speak up for yourself.
Someone went through the trash can. Who went through the trash can? Motzi? You pushing yourself away? Where are you going? Come here. Come here.
Cooper, did you eat all of your treats? Cooper? Who did this mess? Who did this? Cody, did you make this mess? Murphy, did you make this mess? Maggie, did you make this mess? Somebody made it. Who made it? Who made this mess?
Come here. Hey, you have a good day? Come here, you have a good day? Did you have a good day? Come here, Missy. Did you have a good day? Huh? Did you have a good day? Daddy loves you. You have a good day? But who tore my pants up though?
去哪里？你们给单位。你要花娘去哪里？叫你爸带你到娘去哪里？来偷看。你要。
Halo, did you do that to the pillow? To my Bosco pillow, did you do that? Halo?
What'd you do? What's that? You in the trash? Did you go in the trash barrel? Who did that?
Excuse me. What are you doing? Hey, Amber. What's going on here?
Girls, who pooped in the kitchen? Sunny, you pooped in the kitchen?